Day 2 at Five Below. Okay, do these count as fidgets? They have these mesh squeeze balls. This one has Orbeez, glitter. Ew, it's green. Orbeez. No change here. Oh, so cute. There are still Pop-Its and some Slurry Swishes. Still Pop Tubes. No change here. Alright, so far I'm not seeing anything different, but I forgot to get one of these last time, so I must pick this one up. Still nothing new. This one's different. Alright, let's ask it. Will I find new fidgets today? No. Alright, still no change. Feeling kind of bummed. Okay, Magic 8 Ball was right, but maybe we can find the last Kindy Kids for our collection. I didn't record this last time, but they also have slime. There's more some cupcake slime over here. No change here. We still have the cats and the pickles. These are really cool. And that's it. I didn't see anything new on this trip. Alright, since there's nothing new, we just walked away with this squeeze ball, the mesh squeeze ball, and this banana popper.